I would like to announce today a pioneering and I would say a very transformative scheme for the people of Goa, a scheme that we have already started with great success in the state of West Bengal. The scheme is called the Griha Lakshmi scheme. And what this scheme is very easy to understand, it's unique and yet easy to understand. It is a direct benefit transfer scheme, it is a cash transfer DBT scheme, and it is a monthly payment of 5,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees per month, which equals 12,000 rupees per 60,000 rupees per year to every female head of household as defined by the household as defined by the ration card. So the census in Goa gives you 3.42 lakh households, but in number of ration cards it's more than that. I think it's 3.51. So we are going to go with the 3.5 number. So with each of the 3.5 lakh households, the female head of household will get a cash benefit transfer of 5,000 rupees a month into her bank account. This is going to be universal coverage, which means that you don't have to belong to any particular caste or community. You don't have to belong to a particular economically deprived section of say 2 lakhs per year or say that a BPL category. Everybody gets the scheme. The budgetary allocation for this is going to be between 1,500 and 2,000 crores, which is between 6 and 8% of Goa's budget.
5,000 रुपया या कार्डावरवी आम्ही आमचं सरकार सत्तेर येयल्या उपरांत आम्ही प्रत्येक 3.5 लाख जी रेशन कार्ड आहा ह्या गृहिणी मेरेन पावोवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. हितून बारीक गोष्टी तर ना तर अशें तर एका फॅमिलीन 2 आसतले, हे सगळे प्रश्न आसतले. हे सगळे प्रश्न येणाऱ्या काळात आम्ही सुटावे करतले. आयज पार्टी म्हणून जेन्ना आम्ही प्रचाराक वयता त्या टायमार आम्ही हे प्रत्येक घरान आमचे कार्ड पावोवपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. पावयतले ते तांच्यांनी रजिस्टर करून दवरप, जेणे करून सरकार येयल्या उपरांत कोणी खंय लायनी लावपाची गरज ना. लायनी रावन आयज तेंचे नोट हे सुद्धा करता, रिन्यू सुद्धा करतले जाल्यार बायलांक बाबड्यांक लायनीत रावचें पडटा. ह्यो लायनी लावपाक आमी गोंयकारांक दिवचे ना. आमी प्रत्येक डोर टू डोर वचोन आमचे कार्यकर्ते आसतले, बँक डिटेल्स आनी बाकीच्यो गोश्टी आसतले, पंचायत वायज म्युनिसिपालिटी वॉर्ड वायज आमी सगळे कलेक्ट करतले. येणाऱ्या काळात बरे राज्य आमी गोंयकारांक एलायन्स पार्टनर आसतले आमचे हे सगळे दिवपाचे. आनी ही स्कीम जी आसतली एलायन्स पार्टनर फूल गोंया पासत आसतली, सगळ्या पासत आसतली.